Ladies and gentlemen, having ChatGPT embedded in Confluence is a huge advantage. Today I'm going to show you how to connect them. Ladies and gentlemen, having a ChatGPT assistant in Confluence makes it a whole lot more powerful. So let's go ahead on the left, look for apps. Come down here, look for explore more apps. Once you're in explore more apps, you're going to go ahead, you're going to dial in ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and hit enter. You will see AI ChatGPT for Confluence. There is a Copilot ChatGPT 4 for Confluence. There is a ChatGPT connector for Confluence. All of these would be okay. However, we are going to use this one over here. It's got almost 1,000 downloads. So let's go ahead, click on it, open it up quite simply. On the top right hand side, you can see it says get it now. Click on this. Here you will have to select the site that you are connecting it to. So if you only have one site, it'll look like this. If you have more, you can have a drop down menu there and you can choose your site. Here you are going to just review all of the permissions. There are 16 permissions here. Go ahead, use the drop down menu, read through it, know what you're doing. Data management as well. Open this up, make sure that you understand. Go ahead and click on get it now. Once you have done this, it'll say on the bottom left hand side, we'll tell you when your app has been added. And within a few seconds, it will tell you with the same notification that your app has been added. Your app has now been added to your instance. Here you can do their onboarding. You can also configure everything directly from here, and then you can just manage the permissions and the configuration of the app over here. For now, we're going to close this. Let's go ahead, refresh our page. We're going to come down over here on the left-hand side, and you will see this is the space that we connected it to. Down here, you will see Ask to AI ChatGPT Assistant. Click on this over here, and you now will be able to use ChatGPT within Confluence. Now, there's a few different ways you can do this. So first of all, you can type your prompt in right over here. You can see that you can also add, you can create a new chat, you can add attachments. You can search in Confluence directly from this chat box over here. You can generate a diagram and you can generate an image. There's the little send button. Now, if you go back into one of your other spaces, let's say, for example, this one here, click on edit on the top right hand side. It might take a few seconds for this to actually load. But if you go all the way down to the bottom, you can go ahead, create a new line, hit the /, and here you can dial in chat, and you'll see here you can embed an AI assistant into your Confluence page as well as templates, and you can use it to create new content. So go ahead, click on that, and it is right there within your pages.